Get ready to revolutionize your kitchen experience like never before. Join us in this captivating journey through the top 15 contemporary modern kitchen designs of 2024, where style meets innovation and your culinary space transforms into a haven of inspiration. Don't miss out, your dream kitchen awaits. Hey everybody, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that will redefine the heart of your home. Yes, you guessed it, the kitchen. I'm thrilled to share with you the latest and greatest in kitchen design, unveiling trends that are set to revolutionize your culinary space like never before. Now, I know we've seen our fair share of kitchen design ideas, but trust me, what we've got in store for you today is nothing short of extraordinary. Get ready to witness a collection of kitchen designs that are not just cutting edge, but are practically from the future. Welcome to the Modern Kitchen Design Ideas for 2024. In this video, we'll be exploring 15 design elements that are making waves in the world of contemporary kitchens. From smart integrations to innovative storage solutions, bold color palettes, and beyond, we've scoured the design landscape to bring you ideas that will transform your kitchen into a space you never thought possible. So, if you're ready to elevate your culinary haven and leave your guests in awe, stick around. But before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any future design inspiration. Now, let's dive into the top 15 contemporary modern kitchen design ideas for 2024. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Our first trendsetter is all about smart integration. Picture this, a kitchen that not only cooks, but thinks. We're talking about appliances that sync seamlessly, making your cooking experience a breeze. From smart fridges to intelligent ovens, get ready to meet your kitchen's new brain. Now, who doesn't love a tidy kitchen? Our next feature, innovative storage solutions, takes organization to a whole new level. We've discovered hidden nooks and crannies that not only declutter your space, but also add a touch of mystery to your kitchen. Say goodbye to the mess and hello to a kitchen that's as organized as it is stylish. But wait, there's more. Bold color palettes are making a statement in modern kitchens this year. We're not just talking about your standard whites and grays, it's time to embrace vibrant hues that bring life to your culinary haven. Ever wondered how color affects your mood? Stick around, because we're about to dive into the psychology of kitchen color schemes. And now, let's dive into the vibrant world of bold color palettes. Did you know that the color scheme in your kitchen can influence your mood and appetite? From energizing reds to calming blues, we're delving into the psychology of kitchen color schemes, turning your cooking space into a canvas of emotions. So, are you ready to turn your kitchen into a hub of innovation, organization, and style? Buckle up, because we're just getting started. Our journey into the world of contemporary kitchen design continues with functional and stylish layouts that will make you rethink your kitchen setup. Stay tuned for the next set of design revelations, and don't forget to hit that like button if you're already feeling inspired. Don't go anywhere as we explore the layout secrets that will transform your kitchen into a modern marvel. My friends, HD Interiors fans. Now that we've dipped our toes into smart appliances and creative storage, let's talk about layouts that are as functional as they are stylish. First up, we've got open concept spaces. Imagine a kitchen that seamlessly blends with your living area, creating a social hub for family and friends. We're showing you the beauty of open layouts. From cooking to entertaining, these kitchens redefine the way we experience our homes. And who doesn't love a multifunctional space? That brings us to our next feature, multifunctional islands. Gone are the days when islands were just for chopping veggies. We're exploring islands that moonlight as breakfast bars, prep stations, and even home office spaces. Get ready for a kitchen island upgrade that'll leave you wondering how you ever lived without it. Speaking of seamless integration of appliances is the name of the game. We're talking about appliances that blend into your cabinetry like they were born there. No more clunky gadgets interrupting your kitchen's aesthetic, it's all about that sleek, unified look. Are you feeling the kitchen inspiration vibes yet? We've only scratched the surface. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the aesthetic enhancements that will give your kitchen that contemporary vibe you've been dreaming of. Hit that subscribe button and let's continue this design adventure together. Design enthusiasts, welcome back to the epicenter of all things modern kitchen design. We've conquered the realms of functionality, and now it's time to immerse ourselves in the world of aesthetic enhancements that will elevate your kitchen's vibe. First in line, let's shed some light on statement lighting fixtures. Your kitchen deserves to shine, quite literally. We're exploring unique lighting options that not only brighten up your space, but also serve as eye-catching works of art. Get ready to be dazzled by the transformative power of the right light fixture. Now, speaking of transformation, natural materials and textures are making a big splash in contemporary kitchens. From wooden accents to stone countertops, we're celebrating the raw beauty of materials that bring warmth and character to your culinary haven. It's time to infuse a touch of nature into your kitchen design. And for those who believe less is more, our next feature is a game changer: minimalist design elements. We're showcasing the beauty of simplicity, where every element serves a purpose. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, get ready to embrace a minimalist aesthetic that's both calming and visually stunning. Now that we've explored the visual wonders, let's talk tech. Join us as we unravel the technological marvels shaping the future of kitchen design. From high-tech appliances to touchless faucets, we're about to witness the perfect marriage of form and function. Are you feeling the design magic? We're just getting started. Stay tuned. We've explored the visual wonders, and now it's time to dive into the technological innovations that are reshaping the way we experience our kitchens. Get ready for a glimpse into the future with technological advancements in kitchen design. First up, let's talk about high-tech appliances. We're not just talking about your regular ovens and refrigerators, we're talking about appliances that can practically cook for you. From smart cooking algorithms to intuitive interfaces, these high-tech marvels are here to make your culinary adventures not just efficient, but downright enjoyable. And speaking of efficiency, say hello to touchless and smart faucets. Imagine a faucet that responds to your touch or even your voice commands. No more worrying about cross-contamination, just pure convenience and a touch of futuristic flair. Get ready to upgrade your kitchen sink to the 21st century. Now, let's turn our attention to the beating heart of your kitchen: integrated tech hubs. We're talking about centralized control centers that bring together all your smart devices. From managing recipes to controlling lighting and even checking the weather, these tech hubs are about to become the command centers of your culinary domain. But wait, there's more. Before we wrap up this tech-filled segment, we'll be delving into the world of sustainable and eco-friendly kitchen design. Stay tuned for the next set of revelations that not only enhance your kitchen's functionality but also contribute to a greener, more sustainable planet. Are you ready to embrace the future of kitchen design? If you're as excited as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more design inspiration. My friends, HD Interiors fans. Now that we've dived into the wonders of technology, let's pivot our focus to an equally transformative theme: sustainability and eco-friendly design in modern kitchens. Get ready to embark on a journey where style seamlessly meets conscientious living. Our first stop on this eco-friendly expedition is the embrace of green and sustainable materials. We're not just talking about aesthetics, we're exploring choices that elevate your kitchen style while making a positive impact on the environment. Think the warmth of reclaimed wood and the elegance of recycled glass, both making a statement and leaving a lighter footprint on our planet. Now, let's shine a light on energy-efficient appliances. Step into a world where your kitchen not only looks modern but operates with an eco-conscious approach. Imagine appliances designed with advanced insulation, energy-efficient lighting, and innovative cooling systems, all geared towards reducing your energy consumption and environmental impact. And for those passionate about waste reduction, our next feature is a game-changer: waste reduction strategies. Dive into ingenious ways to minimize kitchen waste, from efficient composting solutions to clever recycling setups. It's time to reimagine our approach to waste in the kitchen and play our part in fostering a sustainable lifestyle. HD Interiors fans. Amazing viewers! Can you believe we've journeyed through the most incredible modern kitchen design ideas? It's been a roller coaster of inspiration, from high-tech wonders to eco-friendly innovations. Now, let's bring it all together in our grand finale. So, let's rewind a bit and recap the game changers we've explored. We started with smart integrations, moved through innovative storage solutions, embraced bold color palettes, and delved into functional layouts with open concepts and multifunctional islands. Then, we dived into aesthetic enhancements like statement lighting, natural materials, and minimalist design. Our journey through the tech realm uncovered high-tech appliances, touchless faucets, and integrated tech hubs. And of course, we wrapped up with a focus on sustainability, exploring green and sustainable materials, energy-efficient appliances, and waste reduction strategies. Phew! That's quite the lineup, right? Now, here's the exciting part: these ideas are not just concepts, they're invitations for you to play, experiment, and make them your own. Your kitchen is a canvas, and you're the artist. Mix and match these trends, add your personal touch, and watch your culinary space transform into something truly extraordinary. Before we say goodbye, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of design enthusiasts. We're always cooking up fresh ideas, and we want you to be a part of the journey. Thank you, each one of you, for being a part of this design adventure. Your comments, likes, and shares mean the world to us. Remember, a kitchen isn't just a place where you cook, it's a reflection of your style, personality, and the heart of your home. Keep designing, keep dreaming, and until next time, take care and happy designing. See you in our next design exploration.